not know whether your dryer is functioning properly? Ducks of Monmouth and Central Jersey announced the launch of an updated range of dryer vent cleaning services for clients in Monmouth County. The company specializes in air duct cleaning, HVAC restoration, indoor air quality, and many more. The team at Ducks of Monmouth and Central Jersey are dedicated to helping you reduce the risk of a fire and protect the integrity of your home. When a dryer vent is clogged, the appliance overheats and becomes a fire hazard. Go to the link in the description for more info.